Hello everyone, I am Jowad. In this video, we will learn how to use gradient text in Canva. We will learn in two ways. First one, search for gradient from the element. Then choose this gradient. Cover this in the whole area and you can adjust color according to your choice. Add text here and add your text which one you want to write. Select the text and adjust the transparency near about 70. Then download it as an PNG. If you don't have Canva Premium, then go to remove.bg. I'll put the link in the description, and here you can remove the background, and then copy or download it and paste it in your Canva. The second one. Now from the app, search for typeGradient, and in this section you can add your text, the text you want to write. Then here you can change your font as per your choice. This is line alignment, and this is the line space. You can see the change here, and here you can choose the color. And if you want to change with two color, then do like this and change the color. Like this. Then add the text. Add your text, and if you already added your text, you can make any changes and then update your text from here. You can check here. Here I have done like this. You can change gradient angle with this line. You can edit anytime after selecting the text and click on the edit option. And subscribe if you find it helpful.